Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on the notification sound of Instagram, or you can change the notification sound of Instagram. So let's go to settings. Here you can see notification, tap there. So these are your notification setting. You can customize them from whom you want this notification. These are for following and followers. These are for direct messages. By default all are on. You can customize them. You can customize them. On the bottom everywhere you can see this additional option in system setting. You have to tap there. Then you will go to the system setting for the notification. Here you can see other and it's silent. You have to tap there and you have to click on notification style. You have to check sound. At the bottom you can see sound, tap there and it will pop up. You can browse a music file. Just browse anything and done. So that's all guys. Likewise you can activate the notification sound in Instagram, or if you want to change the notification sound you can change from the settings. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.